Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture size 4 into 4 in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make picture size 4 into 4. Go to the insert menu. Then click the pictures option. And we can see here many picture. We select a picture. Now I select this. Then click insert. Now we want to make this picture size 4 into 4. Go to the format auto shape size option. Then select the lock aspect ratio. Then choose the height 4 and width 4. Then click OK. Then wait some moment and we can see we make this picture size 4 into 4 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.